so.
Frankie, what's up with that?
Not regular lube, but...
Not regular lube, but... Not just lube. Why don't they call it just nut lube? Nut just lube. What's up with that?
Just nut.
Just nut lube.
Dang.
Frankie,
No.
if you had some nuts hanging on a wall, what would you have?
Just nuts.
No. If you had some nuts hanging on a wall, what would you have?
What would I have? Nuts on the wall.
Walnuts.
Walnuts.
Right? Okay. If you had some nuts on your chest, what would you have?
Chestnuts.
Yeah, chestnuts, right? Okay, one more question. If you had some nuts on your chin, what would you have? Now, think long and hard before you say the answer.
I don't even think I want to know the answer to this one.
Welcome to the Mikey Pipes Uncensored channel. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Welcome back to Frankie. Frankie, what's up?
What the fuck is going on?
What's going on? Try to refrain from cursing so much. I try to keep it like, I'm trying to build a brand. Right, I am.
Uncensored.
I am. And shut the fuck up, this camera right here. It keeps telling me seatbelt. You're on your cell phone. Hard acceleration, hard brake. This is provided by GPS Track It. By the way, if you need, whether you're fleet of 20 trucks or you just have a couple trucks in the road, check out gpstrackit.com/mikeypipes. $30 a month. I have forward and cabin cameras and records to the cloud and GPS tracking in all the trucks. $30 a month. Check it out, gpstrackit.com. So last week on Thursday, actually it was Wednesday, you actually reached out to me.
Yeah.
You had sent me a text. You texted me before that, and I'll be honest with you, I ignored you.
I know.
I ignored you. But last week you texted me.
Cool.
Last Wednesday, we were at a job putting in the Ream Iconic water heater that I kind of like. I made it worked. It wasn't in the budget to make it a Mikey Pipes install, but everything works. You know, it's a little. That's why it's on the Uncensored channel. The install. But it works. And there's nothing wrong with it. The venting is done. The fresh air. We ran a half-inch recirculating line, 80 feet. We ran two 80-foot lengths of 1-inch pipe for domestic hot and cold water. This thing is a beast, right? I'm just not happy with the way the PEX came out at the bottom of the heater. Other than that, so Frankie texted me in the morning. I was like, listen, it'll make a great video if you take me back. So now instead of being called Frankie 2-inch, his name is Frankie 2 times because he's been hired twice or 2 times for Pipe Doctor. And hopefully this will be the last time because he's a good kid. Not good kid, good guy. We like him. And the Frankie 2-inch, Frankie, we're going to send him to A.O. Smith to get some water heater training, right, with Peter. It'd be nice. But we're going to make moves together. We're going places together. If you want any stickers, email me, mike@mikeypipes.com, especially that one right there. That one right there. Peace. You know, Frankie, there's a store up here. You're going to laugh. Right now we're in Floral Park on Jericho Turnpike. And we're driving back to the shop from a service call we went to in Yonkers. Now, the service call is up on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. A Burnham Alpine 285, a big boy. But check out this store right here. It's called Give and Go. Give and then get the fuck out of here, right? I'm trying not to curse, but I'm still cursing. But why does this guy go? Does he know how to go? Driving like a woman. Give and go. So you give your money and then you go. Give and go. That's how we roll. So we're driving down Plainfield. Right now we're in the village of Floral Park. The other Mike lives around the corner from here, by the way. And that's one of the reasons why he can't bring his truck home. Because there's an overnight no commercial parking ordinance. No commercial parking on private property, you know, overnight. So it kind of sucks. But it's a nice little village here. They have Village Pizzeria, which is kind of like King Umberto's. We have a lot of bars on Tulip Avenue, which is at the next light. Not this one, but the next light after that. And yeah, so we're heading to the shop right now. I got Frankie. It's 1:40 in the afternoon, Monday, the 27th of February. Now, does this month have 28 or 29 months? 29 days. 28? Okay. All right. But I just want to reintroduce Frankie to the community. He was with us about a month and a half ago for a few weeks. And, of course, you know, I went on vacation with the family like I do every January. And let's put it this way, Frankie wasn't there when I got back, unfortunately. But now he's back. And just want to give you, reintroduce him to you guys in case you guys haven't seen him on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor channel. And also, I also want to, you guys to make sure, I'm going to drill this into your head. You know, the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy, a 501c3 charity organization, we're making moves. In the next couple of days, we're going back to the gentleman we went to last week and put that radiator valve on. We got some couple things to do for him. And yeah, and when you got a free moment, and hopefully this will be up soon, we have a website called pipes4free.org. That's the website for the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization. So check it out. We're going to take, like Cars for Kids. We're going to take donations, credit cards, right? Monthly recurring charges if you like to. We'll also give you, there'll be a forum where we can have a conversation and talk about things together and how we can make the trades great again. Because that's what it's all about for. Making the trades great again. And what other better way than, let's put to work our great talents that we have and give to those who can't afford the basic necessities of plumbing and heating in their homes. All right? No questions asked, strictly an honor system. We're here to help those who can't get it done. All right? So stick around. Frankie's going to be around for a while, long term now. Long time. Hopefully within the next, by this time next week, Frankie should be in his truck. So. And then we'll focus on Peter, who made a determination just last week that he's making this his career. So we're going to be all balls into him on now. We're going to be all balls into him. All in. All right? Stick around. We're making moves together. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be well. God bless. Stay safe.
So, what was the answer to that question?
Well, you don't have chin nuts. No?
Chin?
Frankie, if you had some nuts on your chin and your mouth, oh!